How do you handle disagreements?
I always feel that our the main goal is one. So we always think in that direction. तो disagreements होती भी है. As long as we are reaching that goal, that decision has to be taken.
So I think that that vision which you are trying to achieve, I think that gives you a lot of clarity as to how you need to strategize and what is it that will take you more towards your vision, right?
Correct, correct. At office, I want to be perfect. At home, I want to be perfect. With my child, I want to be perfect. ऐसा. So मेरी काफ़ी challenges उसके around आए थे. Wherein धीरे-धीरे I started to understand that perfectionism is not possible.
So you were expecting a lot from yourself in each role.
Or it was my nature.
Thank you so much for taking out time and being a part of this podcast. And I'm excited to talking to you because I've known you for such a long time. But I think this is the first time where I'm going to ask a few questions to you. So, in spite of me knowing a lot about you, but still, I am excited at the prospect of knowing much more about you and from you. So, सबसे पहले I know what you're into, but for those who are listening to us, what's the nature of your business?
Yeah. So firstly, thank you for having me here. It's an opportunity for me to share the screen with you and be with you in one frame. And about the business, we are into laboratory and scientific business.
Okay.
So till now we were into purely a trading business wherein we were trading into products like there are scientific instruments, consumables, chemicals and all.
Okay.
But we've launched our new verticals into service also this year,
Okay.
which is into like scientific consultations, providing AMCs to the labs.
Okay.
And these kind of new services we've started.
So
It's like a complete laboratory package, laboratory
Okay.
solutions we provide.
So your clients are majorly laboratories.
Laboratories. And there are different kind of laboratories like
Uh-huh.
pharma.
Okay.
Pharma labs are there, food
Okay.
testing, R&D labs,
अच्छा.
government labs are there. So our clientele is quite huge and our product base is also quite huge.
Okay. And how long have you been now with
So
the
I have
Haridas?
been since 15 years
Okay.
in the business. It's a long time.
Mhm.
And it's like a baby, which we have grown. Like 15 years back, uh, it was quite a small company that we were running. And now we have grown to a private limited
Okay.
company.
That's
And
interesting.
It's our family business. Basically, my father-in-law had started it
Okay.
35 years back in
Okay.
1990.
Okay. And then
And we're taking it
you
ahead.
and your husband both are a part of it now.
Yes, yes.
So how have you divided the roles? Both of you are there. So
Yeah.
how have you divided your roles? Ki who is going to handle what aspect of the business?
Yeah, exactly. So dividing the roles is very important, nature when especially as a husband and wife you're working, you must be knowing it. Aisa. So there are a few things where we work together, but there are a few like departments also and roles that we have divided.
Okay.
So I majorly look into the business development activities.
Okay.
Then I take care of the human perspective, human
Okay.
asset complete department, the performance management.
Okay.
That I take care of. Then the digital presence.
Okay.
The social media, digital marketing, that I take care of.
Okay. तो सुमित के पास बचता क्या है करने को?
Sales. And that is his forte basically. He's very good at sales and relationship building.
Okay.
Client communication.
Okay. So he's kind of the face of the organization where he is going, meeting clients and
Yes.
developing new markets, and you are taking care of the entire operations and everything,
Yes.
everything else, I would say.
Correct.
So how is the chemistry between the both of you at work? It's fine.
Yeah, it's quite balanced. We try to keep it balanced. We try to see that there is a line between personal and professional because कभी होता है कि ऑफिस का काम घर आया, घर का काम ऑफिस है, but very less. We try to we have our like boundaries set.
Good. And how do you handle disagreements?
Disagreements, yes, they are a part of it. But then I always feel that our main goal is one. So we always think in that direction.
Okay.
So disagreements होती भी है. As long as we are reaching that goal, that decision has to be taken. मतलब there are a lot of times I feel that something has to be done and he feels that it should be done the other way. But then हम लोग सोचते कि is it taking us toward our final goal? अगर वो लेके जा रहा है तो then let us go with that decision.
So I think that that vision which you are trying to achieve, I think that gives you a lot of clarity as to how you need to
Yeah.
strategize and what is it that will take you more towards your vision, right?
करेक्ट और हम लोग वी बिलीव इन स्वॉट हर एक
अच्छा
चीज का हम लोग स्वॉट करते हैं अभी हम इतना करने लगे माय डॉटर
हाँ.
इज डूइंग इट एट होम आल्सो
Okay, क्या बात
देयर
है?
आर थिंग्स
So
या
is there a frequency of doing this what? कि
नो
कब करना है या
सी
फिर
जैसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्वॉट होता है पर्सनल
हाँ.
स्वॉट वी डू फ्रीक्वेंटली बट कोई डिसीजन भी लेना है ना
हाँ.
तो वी डू अ स्वॉट ऑफ इट
अच्छा, okay. So
जैसे
then
सिंपल चीजें होती थी अभी नाउ वी हैड टू मेक अ डिसीजन कि टीम को ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे बिठाना है या फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे
अच्छा,
वेरी स्मॉल
छोटी सी चीज है, हाँ.
आई वाज फीलिंग ग्राउंड फ्लोर इज फाइन सोमित
हाँ.
वाज फीलिंग ऊपर फर्स्ट फ्लोर इज फाइन देयर
ठीक
वाज अ
है.
लिटिल सो वी डिड अ स्वॉट
हाँ.
विद द टीम
हाँ.
कि क्या होगा स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या होंगे
हाँ.
ऑफ द सिचुएशन ओके नॉट ऑफ समबडी वीकनेसेस क्या होंगे ऑल
Right.
दैट एंड वेरी नाइसली वी केम टू अ डिसीजन
So कहाँ बैठे finally?
फर्स्ट फ्लोर
हाँ, but I think that's a great approach, ना?
Yeah,
That there is a
and I was
system which you can
fine. I was
follow.
fine. There
हाँ.
was nothing. हमारा कोई ईगो नहीं था उसके पीछे.
हाँ, हाँ.
As long as it's going to give us the results which are expected,
बिल्कुल.
it was fine.
Very nice, very nice. I think this is something so great that there is a
Yeah.
tool which you can follow and it helps you take a decision.
And we have spread it in our team also. Our
Okay.
team also has that
Uh-huh.
attitude of doing a SWOT of every situation wherever there is a little decision लेने का confusion.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Now you've been into business for the last 15 years. Any
Yeah.
particular challenge जो आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये बहुत मुश्किल था, but you were able to overcome it. Anything that comes to your
Yeah.
mind?
See, there are challenges.
हाँ.
Of course, lot of challenges.
हाँ.
And I think major मतलब जो मेरे challenges है ना they were around being like I'm a Taurus, okay, Taurian.
Okay.
So being a Taurian, I look at things like as a perfectionist.
अच्छा.
हर एक चीज, you know, if I want to at office I want to be perfect, at home I want to be perfect, with my child I want to be
Child, you want to be
perfect and
perfect.
ऐसा. So मेरी काफी challenges उसके around आए थे, wherein धीरे धीरे I have started to understand that perfectionism is not possible everywhere, you know. So it's fine even if you do like 80-90% of what is going on. It is still fine if things are done.
So you were expecting a lot from yourself in
Yes.
each role?
Yes. Or it was my nature.
Okay.
And there are times, you know, situations. Abhi, for example, there's like very important meeting in office. At the same time, some guests are there at home. At the same time, there's some PTM in your child's school. And then there you really have to prioritize. And then you have that guilt. अरे मैंने ये कर लिया, but ये तो मेरा रह गया.
फिर कैसे किया उसको handle?
That way. So now I really prioritize things and I understood that it's my problem.
Okay.
You know? So I have set boundaries. I've become a very organized person over the last few years.
Okay.
So I have my to-do list, I have my calendars set that way.
Okay.
And that way I've overcome these challenges.
So one way of looking at from your sharing, I understand that one is you became organized, and second, I think you started accepting yourself with the limitations that you have. I think that is one of the biggest things that we can do to ourselves. That we can just forgive ourselves sometimes. कि it's okay ना. जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा हर जगह आप सब. You cannot be present, omnipresent नहीं हो सकते हो ना आप.
Correct. You have to give up on some things. If you prioritize, कुछ तो second priority पे जाएगा. And it's taken me long to understand this. Today I'm telling you this, but through situations, you know. और कभी क्या हो जाता है इसमें, you start undervaluing yourself sometimes. Though you are very good at it. एक meeting miss कर ली तो कोई you've not like done something very wrong और उससे तुम्हारा value कम नहीं हो जाता है. But sometimes you get that guilt. I used to get that guilt.
That I was not good enough.
हाँ.
Okay.
That way. That I'm not giving my 100% there.
Okay. But over a period of time, now you've been able to handle it.
Yes, very well. And organizing myself, you know, it has really helped me. I have my journal in place. I have my my calendar. If you see, even today's meeting, कि बस 2-3 घंटे यहाँ पे I'm not going to take anybody's call. So I know what is that priority.
So organizing yourself has helped you prioritize your things, helped you prioritize your life also.
Yeah.
Good. And I think उससे फिर ना जो हमारी गलतियों के chances होते हैं वो कम हो जाते हैं. फिर गलतियाँ कम होती हैं तो फिर guilt भी कम होता है. Because I think the worst thing that you can do to yourself is, you know, live a life of guilt.
That
चाहे कुछ भी
happens
होने दो.
after our motherhood journey and all. It happens.
Especially motherhood. Motherhood सबसे ज़्यादा guilt pangs देता
Balance,
है.
yeah, balance is very difficult.
Now, I know that you're handling the human asset of your organization. और मैं देखती रहती हूँ बहुत सारी posts that you keep on doing a lot of activities.
Yeah.
So, could you share something as to what all do you do to continuously have your team engaged in the organization?
Yeah. So, firstly, human asset, this word only you use, so it's our very strong belief that they are one of our assets
Okay.
and we want to grow them.
Uh-huh.
In fact, that is a very fulfilling thing of running a business, you know, that you can touch their lives and somewhere unka bhi growth ho raha hai.
Okay.
So, we really believe in their growth, and after all, we are working with humans.
हाँ.
They are not machines.
ठीक बात है.
Exactly. So even our HR and all, we are on this same page.
Okay.
So we do a lot of things to connect to them, to their families,
Okay.
to their personal growth, with professional growth, personal growth also. Like for example, हम लोग उनके family के birthdays भी celebrate करते हैं.
Okay.
Close families.
That's
So we
interesting.
celebrate their birthdays, and wherever their families all over India, our cake reaches them.
Oh.
The family with a nice letter, company ka.
Very nice.
And we've got very good feedbacks about that also.
Very nice. और क्या
That
करते
is
हो?
one thing. And like we've learned in Chrysalis only, the spectrum of life we try to balance उसमें. So we do all the areas of spectrum of life. तो जैसे for example in the spiritual we had done a temple visit with the whole team. ISKCON temple visit.
Okay.
Abhi a few months back, and we got such good responses to it. They were so happy and they felt really connected, you know.
It's like connecting to your team beyond the work.
Beyond the work.
So I think the 8 spectrums which we all talk about, if we can apply that to our team members' life also. So he feels that the management is worried about me, concerns about me, is worried about my overall well-being, not just connecting with me through the work. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
What we do, we feel that whatever we believe in, we try to drill it down to them, so that उसमें भी एक alignment रहता है. एक हमारे thought process में और उनके, not just in work, but also in personal lives, if we can help them grow themselves. For example, we had this habit builder program before Sumit's birthday. So 40 days challenge it was. So 40 days पहले वो challenge start किया था. It was about Surya Namaskars and push-ups. Push-up challenge.
Okay.
So everybody has to do it at
for 40
their
days.
For 40 days or 1111 का count achieve करना है पूरे team ने मिलके.
अच्छा, in those
40 days. So 1111
Surya Namaskars
and push-ups.
Oh, wow.
So what an amazing thing it was. जैसे वो गोल अचीव किया ना, ऐसा लगा जैसे कंपनी का मतलब कोई बड़ा गोल ही अचीव कर दिया.
क्या बात है.
It creates that feeling, जैसे हमारे प्रोफेशनल गोल्स होते हैं. If you achieve such kind of personal goals, which are of course beneficial for you when it comes to health and all. So it creates a very good impact, you know.
बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Very interesting. And I think ऐसी सब चीजें करते रहो ना, तो टीम में एक अलग बॉन्डिंग आ जाती है ना. एक जो आप मारामारी करते हो ना, HR को बुलाओ, ईज आउट करो, बहुत सारी चीजें अपने आप ईज आउट हो जाती होंगी, आई एम श्योर.
Yeah. And when new members come, no, these are the occasions where they gel in very well. ऐसा.
They also come to know the culture of the company, and it's better for them to get aligned through these activities.
Yes,
it's a great way of aligning your team with each other. Very nice.
And in fact, for the next year, we have like the whole HR का पूरे साल का event list ready है.
अरे वाह. For 24-25.
We had social activities, as you know, we had this blood donation.
I wanted to come to that blood donation thing, that you have been so consistent in that.
Lovely.
I mean, would you want to share more on that? Any particular reason, या फिर बस norm बन गया?
No, we have a dad's birthday in Jan.
Okay.
And on that occasion we kept it, like पहले साल रखा 2 साल, now this was the 5th year we kept it, and we get like very good response for that. एक तो team building का activity हो ही जाता है, wherein you know all the roles are divided, और कैसे वो as a team that event works, that is one thing. And about like our clients, our even personal contacts, everybody turns out over there, and it's amazing to see the relationship, you know, building that happens over there. And of course there's a social aspect of it. जो भी हम लोग अभी हमने 130 bottles collect किया था, which is a very good number for us. You know, we felt that we are breaking our own varies every time. वो बढ़ते ही जा रहा है count ऐसे.
हाँ.
And
And I think it's a good way, na,
very
that
impactful.
you can have your vendors also, you can have your teams also,
सब
your
लोग एक साथ
customers
आने
also,
के लिए
your
ऐसे
personal relationships also.
हाँ, so सब एक साथ आने के लिए ऐसा कोई प्लेटफॉर्म अपार्ट फ्रॉम वर्क
Apart
नहीं
from
मिलता
work.
है.
बहुत बढ़िया.
So
Because I'm always very, I feel so happy to see that एक होता है ना, you do it once and then you forget about it, but then I see that you have
Every
been
year.
consistently doing it every year.
Yeah, and
So it's really nice.
we take it very very like everybody takes a lot of efforts for that event, and we have like 4 social events every quarter. उसमें से वो एक
अच्छा.
होता है.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Great,
yeah.
great, great. So now you have been associated with Chrysalis for how many years? कितने साल हो गए?
2008 से
2008 से. You've done
oh
like
sorry 2018.
2018, है ना, 6-7 years. So you've done, I think, all the business programs. You've
Yeah.
done the Game of Business. You've done Arasan Masti,
Arasan Masti.
and recently you've done a digital transformation program from Purdue University, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
it seems that continuous learning is there on your mind in your way of living. Want to share something on how has that benefited in your personal life, in your professional life?
Yeah.
Why do you think that one should always be on that learning mode?
Yeah, of course I'll share, because see, continuous learning is an attitude which is required in today's world. At least if you see in the 21st century, there are a lot of things coming up so fast, changing so fast, especially in the digital world, and somewhere if you don't catch up with that, you'll be left behind as a business also and as a person also. So I always believed in that. काफ़ी मैंने पहले भी कोर्सेज किए हैं, और I've done my masters in computer science पहले. So when I joined the business, मैंने import export का PGD किया from Symbiosis.
Okay.
That I did for 2 years. And later on, right now I did this digital transformation, which I thought we could really implement also. We are in the phase of implementing it. And digital transformation is a must for today's businesses, I feel, because if you see next 5 years, 10 years down the lane, picture is going to really change.
Right.
And if you don't catch up with it, you will be left behind. So, and I'm from that background, so I can take it really well. As you know, we have implemented our the whole system in our office is the SAP system, which is like a world-class system.
Okay.
And that has really changed the way we work.
I think you have to integrate technology as a part of your business, no matter what kind of business you are in.
It is something you can't ignore,
Very nice.
And now we are working on automizing our warehouse.
Okay.
There'll be complete automation of our inventory management in the warehouse.
So I think that continuous learning approach then translates also into the way you're doing your business.
Yes.
Because when you are upgrading, you tend to pass it on to your personal life. You become better in your business life. You put in more systems. You put in more technology, and then definitely the way you do business will become better.
Yeah. Even both the courses that we did from Chrysalis, they've really changed us, as a person, as a business. People who know our old business and new business, they'll really be able to make it out.
Okay.
How we have changed and how the whole thought process. And we're really thankful, to NG sir and you.
Arey wow, that's nice. That's nice. You want to share something on that as to when you say thought process change हुआ? Something in particular that you feel कि हाँ पहले ऐसे सोचती थी अब वैसे सोचने लग गई हूँ.
Yeah, so see, when you come from a family business, in a family business, usually what happens, जैसे चल रहा है वैसे चल रहा है business, you take it that way. But there are a lot of other things happening around us in the world, and so you're not really updated, और अपना thought process भी थोड़ा narrow होता है कि बस ये कर रहे हैं ना, सालों से ये चल रहा है, तो बस इसमें थोड़ा एक 10% इधर उधर करके we call it as growth.
Okay.
ऐसा एक normal thinking हो जाता है. But a lot of things that we learned in the Arasan Masti also, TGUB also, it really opened our mind.
Okay.
As to what are the possibilities which can be explored, what can be done, and in terms of how personal growth will affect your professional growth.
Okay.
So these things really helped, and because both of us are together as a husband wife, it was really important to be on one thinking as a track. So doing that also helped us.
I think it brought both of you also on a common platform.
Yes.
So that वो आप जो घोड़े दौड़ा रहे हो ना, तो आपका जो रथ है वो एक ही डायरेक्शन में जाना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं होना
Exactly.
चाहिए कि एक घोड़ा उधर ले जा रहा है, एक घोड़ा उधर ले जा रहा है.
Exactly.
वेरी नाइस.
And it's very nice actually that and having fun in this process is very important. जो भी चल रहा है life में, you know,
हाँ.
enjoying the ride is like our aim.
आई थिंक वो
enjoying
एक
it.
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट होता है कि बिजनेस
Yeah.
करना है पर मरना थोड़ी ना है ना बिजनेस करने में.
Exactly.
हाँ. You need to just enjoy being. Sir बोलते हैं ना it's a game. I mean if you can
Yeah.
just look at it as a game and then uh, live every moment of that game.
Yeah.
So I think वो एक अलग joy होता है of running that business. So I think वो perspective काफी अच्छा मिला होगा
Yes.
from being a part of Chrysalis.
Yes, yes. And when it's husband wife, no, there are pros and cons.
हाँ.
Who knows better than you?
हाँ.
Who knows better than you? So, but the most satisfying thing in it, no, is working like towards a common goal.
हाँ हाँ.
Both of you are towards a common
हाँ,
goal. उसका एक जो happiness होता है, जो achievement का वो होता है, हाँ failures भी होते हैं. Even taking those failures together is a fun in itself. You
क्या
know?
बात है. हाँ. I think that is so very beautiful. कि pros and cons है but आप साथ में हो ना. So you're building something together. जैसे आप बच्चा बड़ा करते हो ना साथ में, तो आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये बिजनेस भी एक बच्चा है ना, तो इसको भी हम बड़ा कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, and both of us come with different strengths.
Yes.
Accepting those strengths and accepting the weaknesses also. So इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ कि कोई ऐसा पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल ऐसा होता है नहीं.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
You know, कितना भी हम बोलते हैं,
बोलते हैं.
but you are one person. Personal person भी वही हो, professional भी, you are not two people. ऐसा.
ऐसे आप डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते हो एक खुद को.
Yeah, for me so many things, you know, जो मैं यहाँ सीखती हूँ ऑफिस में, सीखती हूँ meaning you learn where you take it at home also.
सही बात
Sometimes I tell my I tell Subit that doing the laundry is not my KRA. The secondary responsibility is yours.
so ऑफिस का सब घर में आ जाता है ना.
Like what my daughter is doing so much, you know.
हाँ. तो वो
तो
इंटरमिंगल
हो
होता
जाता
है
है.
ना इधर का उधर
As long
आता
as
है.
good things, you know,
Yeah.
are there, you can always take them.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very nice. Very nice. So you have a daughter, Tia.
Yeah.
How old is she?
Yeah, she'll be now entering her teens in the next month.
Entering her teens.
Yeah.
तो मुझे पता है that I see a lot of your posts on social media. You do a lot of things with her. But what according to you is quality time for her, with her?
Yeah.
क्या है? क्या करती हो? Do you do something consciously? Being a working mother.
Yeah, so this quality time thing, no, it changes as kids grow, you know. जब छोटे होते तो at least being with them, playing with them is that quality time also. But now with her, I try to do activities of her interest more than my interest.
वो तो है ही.
Yeah.
करना ही
So
पड़ता
even
है.
if we are not talking to each other during that time, at least we are there and you know doing something together.
Okay.
That is of a quality time. For her, she's an avid reader. She likes to read a lot of books.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and she reads a lot of fiction and I read a lot of non-fiction. जैसे हम self help and इसमें ज़्यादा है. She reads a lot of it. So she always wants me to read fiction. She says you should read, you should, you know. So I read her books with her.
Okay, so that
She
you
feels
can
very good.
connect, na?
Yeah.
There is something to talk to about.
And
Okay.
she's very creative. So doing some art together or you know these things, they're very.
So
they are like a quality time for us. No TV or anything. वैसा कुछ भी नहीं है हमारा. We don't watch TV.
है ना?
Basically, yeah.
हमारे साथ तो उल्टा होता है. For me and my boys, the best thing is चलो कुछ मूवी लगाते हैं और साथ में बैठ के देखते हैं.
Yeah.
तो
But it's fine. I mean, that's
तो
your
I
way.
think different चीजें होती हैं, but then that is something like a common ground. Or you watch football games together. So that is like a common ground. I don't understand football at all, but then I say, wow, क्या गोल मारा है, wow, क्या किया है.
You have to do that sometimes.
But ठीक है ना. I think वो करना ही पड़ता है कि
Yeah.
नहीं.
Yeah.
But very nice. And the last thing, what has been the most rewarding part of this journey of being an entrepreneur? What has been the most gratifying thing?
So, so as I told you, this journey has been like from a very small business to this private limited that we are, you know, running today. And with the company, even we have grown. Even I have grown as a person. So as I see, as we take the leadership roles, the whole chance that we get to touch human lives around us. That's the most, you know, fulfilling, satisfying part. Human lives in terms of our team also and outside also, because especially our business is such that जो मेडिकल इंडस्ट्री है या योर व्हेन वी से फार्मा इंडस्ट्री एंड ऑल, वी ऑलवेज कनेक्ट दैट वी आर टचिंग द ह्यूमन लाइव्स. जैसे कोविड में आवर प्रोडक्ट्स वर यूज्ड इन द वैक्सीनेशन प्रोसेस एंड ऑल. सो कितना भी छोटा हमारा पार्ट हो उसमें, वी फील दैट you know we have contributed somehow to it. And in terms of team also, in growing people, ऐसे लोग हैं जो I have people who are there with me since very very long, जो मतलब 15 years से भी there are people, and it's so good to see where they were and you know where we could have got them. And now we are quite, जैसे 55 लोगों का टीम है, उनका उनके घर पे अगर 4 लोग हैं, so we are touching so many lives. I think that is the most rewarding part for us.
क्या बात है. Very nice. Yeah. So it was lovely talking to you, Priyanka. Thank you so much for taking out time, being here. And I'm sure जो भी सुनेगा, they are going to pick up something or the other and make it a part of their lives.
Thank you so much. And I want to add that you have been a big inspiration for me. And you and MG sir, both of us, you have touched our lives in a lot of ways. And last year when you were at our office for Women's Day, even all my other female team members also, they had learned so much from our, ऐसा ही casual talk हुआ था, but there was so much to learn from you.
Thank you.
So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Lovely to have you.
Yes. Thank you.